In this video, I want to show you how to make Draconic feel more like your own trading environment. The idea is simple. You give Draconic the right context about how you trade, what kind of analysis works for you, and over time it gets better at understanding you before it responds. Let's start with preset instructions. This is where you tell Draconic how you want responses to be structured by default. At the top, you'll see templates. You can start with one of these or write your own. And on the right, you've got guidance on what to include and what to avoid. This helps you write instructions that are actually useful, so Draconic knows what to prioritize, what to skip, and how to frame analysis for you. I'm going to paste in my preset here. You can pause here and read through it. Now, instead of repeating your style, your preferred structure, and the kind of analysis you want in every new chat, you save that context once here. Once it's saved, Draconic already starts from that context. And if you want, you can disable it here anytime, enable it again later, or come back and modify it whenever you want. Now let's move to Trader Profile. This is where you can add more context about yourself as a trader, like your risk profile and other key details. The goal here is to help Draconic understand who you are as a trader, so analysis feels more aligned from the start. Over time, Draconic also starts learning from how you use it. That's where adaptive memory comes in. It learns from what you focus on, how you ask questions, the kind of analysis you engage with, and how you like information to be delivered. And you can see parts of that understanding here in Trader DNA. Trader DNA is Draconic's understanding of you as a trader. It can reflect your trading style, the markets and instruments you focus on, the timeframes that matter to you, and the kind of analysis that fits you best. You'll also see some memory points here. These are just a few visible examples of what Draconic has learned about you, not the full picture. So adaptive memory is not just about remembering one preference. It keeps learning, remembering, and adapting over time as your usage builds. And there's one more interesting feature here called Devil's Advocate. If it's enabled, Draconic can challenge your view with counter ideas. So instead of only reinforcing your thesis, it can also help you think through what might be wrong with it. That's the bigger idea behind personalization in Draconic. You give it the right context up front, and from there, it keeps getting better aligned with the way you trade. The more it understands you, the less you have to explain yourself every time.